This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by lisalewis. Desired 2-story home in Raintree Lake. Hardwood floors throughout, granite countertops in kitchen island and pantry. Half bath on main floor laundry. Master bedroom has a nice sitting area included west/large master bath, walk-in closet. Open and bright and a lot of natural light in this home. Finished daylight basement west/5th non-conforming bedroom west/full bath and bonus sauna room. 3-car garage, fenced yard that backs to green space and play area. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisalewis at 816-305-1245.